Hello and welcome to the workshop. This time we've got a beautiful old subject in this old 53 Chevy, the beautiful ramshackle barn behind it, and let's not forget the cat warming itself on the bonnet. Just beautiful. So here's a painting that I did during the workshop that I was giving there, and this is a studio painting that I'll be showing you today. Here's the process we're going to follow: sketching it in with a grid transfer method, then blocking in the big dark shapes and then all the light shapes, and then finishing off with a little bit of detail. I'll give you as many tips as I can along the way, so feel free to follow me along step by step, or take any of the resource photos on the online resource page and create your own design with those, just using the same concepts and ideas that I'm giving you in this workshop demo to create something that's more your own. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. I suspect that if you've watched this video all the way to this point, then you're probably going to enjoy the lesson. So let's get started.